I wanted to show you a little bit with the Format Painter. The Format Painter is what you see in the Home tab, this little guy right here. What the Format Painter does is it copies formatting, not the content of the cell, but the formatting of the cell. Okay, as you probably know, if you took a cell and you copied it to another location, not only does the content get copied over, so does the formatting. Okay, so if there's a situation where you just want to copy the formatting over, then you use the Format Painter. That way you don't have to worry about the content copying over, other area. So what we can do here, I'll give you a couple examples of this. We have a little heading here that has basically a gray background. It's lined up a certain way. It's got a border at the bottom, that type of thing. You could do a lot of other things too. I mean, we could have it where maybe it's also italic, maybe it's also red and bold. So a number of different formats. All I want to do is be able to take that and copy the formatting to all these other cells going across, so it'll look the same all the way across. All right? So what you do is you click onto the cell that has the formatting, you click on the paintbrush, just like that, and then you just click onto the cell, and there it goes. And if you click away, then you'll see how that looks. Now, I could have also done the whole range, so this time what I'll do is I'll click back on here again, hit the button, right? And then I'll just drag this whole range here, let go, and that's it. So not a major thing, but it does come in pretty handy. Now, let me show you another way you can use this. Let's say you've been already color banding some of your data with like blue or like an orange or green background. And what you want to do then is to be able to very quickly format some other rows in, let's say, the red. Okay? So, and normally to do this, I mean, it's not that it's a big deal, but all you really have to do normally is just kind of select the range like that. You go in there and you say, okay, I want to go to the background here and make that, orange or whatever color, and that's it. That's all you'd have to do. All right? So, but with the Format Painter, we can use that so that we can do more than just one, let's say. So here's the trick. We'll select, I'll pick a green one here, okay? So I'll select all the way across this green one. Now, once I've done that, normally I would click onto the Format Painter button one time, and that would give me one shot at coloring a particular row. But if I double click the Format Painter, so like that, and then go find a cell over here, and I can just go click at the very beginning. I don't have to worry about selecting all the way across. All I have to do is go click, all right? Because I originally selected this range, it knows that I want to do that much wide, all right, that many columns wide. So I might go to this one here, click it. I might even go to one that's already maybe a different color, click on this one here, and that will change it to green. Or do this one, that'll change it to green. Go to here, change it to green, right? And then when I'm all done with it, I can just hit the escape key, and that turns off the feature. Now, one other one I want to show you here is the date. You probably, maybe you didn't even notice this, but this is in what they call medium date format, and this is just your short date. And what I'd like to do is maybe I went in there and I changed this one cell to that type of format, but now I want the rest of this to be that same format. So what am I going to do? Well, again, you'll click onto what you like the formatting of. We will click onto the paintbrush, right? And then we'll just start from here, and we'll just kind of drag all the way down and let it go. Now, the only other problem with that, even though it did do its job, it also wiped out the formatting that we had on those other rows. We're not going to worry about that right now, but just so you know. All right, so that looks good. So hopefully that gives you a good understanding of how that Format Painter works. It's just very simple. I like the formatting of that, but I like to have it over there as well. You click over here, all right, So you click over here, you hit your paintbrush, click over there, it copies it over, right? Okay, so thanks for watching. Take care.